Delivering Uber Eats in bad weather can be challenging, but with the right approach, you can stay safe and even earn more since demand often spikes. First, slow down and drive carefully. Wet or icy roads increase stopping distances, so give yourself extra time and space. Wear waterproof or warm clothing depending on the conditions, and keep an extra pair of gloves or a rain jacket in your delivery bag so you are prepared if the weather worsens suddenly. Now use an insulated bag to keep food hot and make sure it's sealed well so rain or snow does not get inside. Check your navigation app for road closures or traffic delays caused by weather, and don't be afraid to contact customers if you need more time or a safer drop off spot. Staying communicative helps avoid bad ratings if your delivery takes a bit longer. Now, most importantly, know your limits. If the weather becomes too dangerous, it's okay to pause or stop deliveries altogether. Your safety should always come first. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick tips to keep your Uber Eats deliveries safe and efficient.